The latest House inspection for the president's speech next Monday has today Ocular team giving a thumbs up for the readiness of the venue for next week's big event. Every nook and cranny receiving the good to go check mark, as our Melales Moras reports.
Once you announce the entry of the president, mababa po sila dito sa lower rows.
We welcome the president.
Several officials from the House of Representatives, Senate, Malacanang, and other agencies inspected every nook and cranny of the Batasang Pambansa in Quezon City today as part of their final walkthrough inspection for the upcoming State of the Nation address of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. on July 22. Prior to this, the final interagency coordination meeting was also held. Here, all the details and systems for the much-anticipated gathering were finalized. According to House Secretary General Reginald Velasco, as of now, exactly a week before the SONA, he can safely say all is SONA ready.
Everything all set.
Wala na pong problems.
Wala na problem.
In the North Wing lobby, where the guests will enter, the red carpet is already laid out. Around the compound, banners for the SONA are also in full display. Meanwhile, contrary to reports circulating online that the famous girl group BINI will sing the national anthem at the SONA, Secretary General Velasco clarified that singer Blessy May Abagat will be performing instead. On Monday, the main event the public anxiously awaits is the president's actual speech, including the priority bills he will present for the country's further development. According to House Speaker Martin Romualdez, they will work closely with the executive branch to ensure swift and successful passage of these SONA priority measures. Also, the lower house's top priority is the passage of the 2025 national budget, which is essential for sustaining our nation's growth and addressing the immediate needs of our citizens. For now, just about every lawmaker eagerly waits President Marcos Jr.'s SONA. House Committee on Public Order and Safety Chair Dan Fernandez even shared what he hopes to hear in the president's speech.
Well, marami. Ako gusto kong madinig unang-una kay Presidente yung sa pagbibito ng restructuring ng PNP. But I've spoken with the Speaker and we will be talking about it, yung sa restructuring ng ating PNP that we work so hard, no? Basically, kung binito na yon ng Presidente, anong action that will be taken by Congress. It's either we override the veto or we talk about it or refile it.
Melales Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.